give him a kiss. Find Jesus' nose.
Where's his nose?
Oh, go give him a kiss.
Yes,
Go find his
good.
nose.
Yes. Where's his eyes? Where's his eyes? Yes. Where's his nose? Yes.
Where's his feet? Good job. Good
Yay.
job.
How about his ears? Where's his ears?
Those
Show
are
me
your
Jesus.
ears.
Where's
Good.
Jesus' ears?
Right here, honey. You can't see him. They're covered up by his hair. It's a trick question.
Where's his hair? Where's his hair?
He's looking at Kylie.
Yeah.
Where's his hair? Can you give him a kiss, Kylie?
Oh.